I'm gonna be playing this game. I never played this game or made the video in the game. But this game has 100 players and there's 100 vehicles, 100 plays. So it's 100 players playing and wanting to cross the world. Earth is like having fun like today. Let's play it. I see this. Oh, okay. The TikTok. Whoa, where am I at? I don't know if this is. Oh, this is beta carrier. So is that made beta? Hi, beta. Wait, is beta and beta this almost like the same name? Almost like the right? That was not a fart. This is very cold. A little bit cold. What does it mean I not cold? Wait. There's nothing here. What the heck is it? There's Axel. Wow, look. I saw. Almost like Axolotl. Bad vehicles. Oh, not real. Oh, he's a pink person. Yeah. Other vehicles. Tesla plane. Hold on. I never see this. Hold on. Spawn it. What would it spawn? Spawn. There was not anything spawning. He just died. Car? The car TG? What about warplanes? It doesn't work. They need to be the same as him. Boom. I did. Whoa, look at my hair. Okay, just wait. Is that Santa? That's it. I know that doesn't work. Wait, is that rocket? I don't think that's a rocket. A Congo World War Droid. B07. At 80. Oh my god. Dude, it's just getting like dumb. Then I'm joining a different game. Then I'm joining a different Minecraft game. I found this game called Minecraft Physics. Dude, stop. You do your job. Don't ever say that in real life because one time I was playing a game, it said like job and job J in it, but editor just blurred the O. Oh! I want to hear this. Wait, why do I have 200? Oh, I played this game? Oh, helicopter. So, passenger plane. Why passengers? Why passengers? Oh, I see your speed. Whoa! Oh, it's real. It's going 100 miles per hour. Whoa, tall rectangles. Wow, big, tall rectangle in some small house. And big and fat mountains. I'm gonna make it to 300 casts. See up. I make it to 300 casts. That's a cast. Oh no! Go up past the mountain. Go up past the mountain. Yep, it went up past. I just reached the sky as a limit as the top fat mountain. And now I'm like alive. Okay, I'm just gonna stay there and see where it goes. 5 minutes later. Okay, back is still there. I'm sorry guys, why was it not 5 minutes? Whoa! No. Wait, what happens if I go to the water? I'm gonna try if I go to the water. I'm gonna become like the plane evolution. Wait, what happens if I go down? Does that explode? Yep, it exploded. It exploded. Whoa! Did I just bomb this plane? Whoa! Wait, try to get like a second plane. I can get like a second plane. No, this is like a second plane. No, I want like a second floor, 2 floor plane. What is Ooh! Holy mo! What the? Okay, that was kind of scary. I'm not even kidding. Like, let's go like to the Fat Mountain. See again. Oh, hello, houses. Wait, we're tall enough to go. I'm tall enough to go. No way. No way. Yo, no. I got past. Whoa. What am I doing? Dude, I cannot like survive this. Like, I cannot like survive this. I cannot. What does this do? Oh no, what's the one mean? Whoa! I kind of like the sound. It's like fart. But infinity fart. And I even... Fully. I want to land in our house. It's a little bit slow. Dude, it's still at 100 speed. Look at me. If you see that, it's not like 100 speed. Hey, look. What? This way. Else. 50 players are playing up to like 100. I found like a game called. I found a game called like a bowling, but weird. You see the bomb? He's got to throw it. Oh, he did. Oh, hello, people. How are you doing? How are you doing? Oh! It makes that sound when you hit people. It makes that sound. Oh! Ooh! What is this? Holy marble. Ooh, it's a tiny marble. I'm sorry. That's what marble does. Oh! No, this is weak. I'm going for the cylinder. Wait, is the cylinder overpowered? Because it looks like I can do everything. Oh, it's overpowered. Woo! Look, he's gonna do his own character. That's What do you doing? Oh, triple ball! I do that. Triple ball! I do that. I got triple. That. I'm in the fight. I'm gonna kill Tree. What the? He did like wow. Look at I hit them. I think they like hitting. Yes! Oh, strike. Oh, you like that? I'm sorry. You get throw? private server. I'm gonna make a. Okay, I made a private server. Now there's nobody. Oh, bouncy ball. Oh, I like this. Hold on. Am I gonna throw it? Like, okay, let's go like all the way. I like the cliff. Okay, is it working? No. Direct. No! This bouncy stupid ball. Oh! I did it! Yes! I can do a flying disc. Is this how a flying disc looks like? It actually is a flying disc. I'm gonna get close. Wait, hold on. Noe, is this real? An Among Us bot. I just got that score. Excuse me. Week ball. Let's see if it's this week. One time I went bowling with my friend and then we got like a lot of strikes. But my mom was not great at bowling because you need to like roll the ball and make like a perfect. But if you do it like the left side or the right side, then it will just go to the cliff and then roll like right here and then go right there and then and then you lose. So we were pretty good with my foot. So let's just use my overpowered ball. Holy moly! I didn't expect that. I'm gonna do it as another lane. Dang it! I'm gonna do it at another lane. I just did another lane. Go! Go! Strike! Did you saw that? I didn't hit them. You're like, wow! For that. A bouncing ball. Just throw the ball. I'm gonna say I was gonna throw a ball. Weak ball. So we didn't try the weak ball. We just tried the big weak ball. It's going flying down and is that one not? Woo! Great, great. Hold on, I like that. I think it's like the best one in the game. It's called a bowling cylinder. You hit like everything. Like, boom! What's the ball? So this is like the most like overpowered one in the game. And also the border, but you kind of glitch. So we actually do it all the way here. Like, I don't want to get glitched. Like, see, like you get stuck. I saw this is copyrighted by another player, by another real life player. And those are that one, and those are this one. Oh, that thing was great. Oh, maybe just strike. that say strike? That bowling ball pushed me. Wait, what? Of a tree? Okay. Okay. Accurate? Yeah, accurate. That's accurate. Whoa. Is that accurate trolling? That's accurate. What's out here? Dude, this is like the most power team. Like, nothing can beat that. Nothing can beat it. But something can beat it. A bowling ball. A bowling ball. Duh. I couldn't be like a normal people beating. I just couldn't get like a bowling ball. No, maybe when it was some air. Because it just sprayed up air. Well, so I like a normal people being. So I just like a normal people being. Who knocked at my door? Oh my god, also my phone is. Wait, what is my battery percentage? Oh my gosh, it's only at 50%. Don't mind me, why is there sound? Don't mind me, why is there sound? Don't mind me, why is there sound? Don't mind me, this car.
Hi, my little boy. Pirito, how are you?
Try the phone. Back to mine. Bowling. Yep, bowling. Yep, the overpowered one. Yep, the overpowered one. You know what? I usually no. I'm a crazy kid. Whoop. That was not a crazy kid. That was kind of crazy kid. So, trying to strike. Oh, wait, that was slow motion. Wait, why was that one slow motion?
750 years to celebrate, and you don't want to know. You're bored.
No,
Dang it. Stuck.
Anyway,
Spare.
how about your place?
There is like killer vines at the moment that sort of like
Oh, Bob! I got. Yes! This is the Almighty. Yes! This is the Almighty.
Watermelon, I didn't buy the watermelon.
Yes! Oh, it just exploded! Oh, yes! Exploded. Oh, slide! Okay, I'm gonna lower it like a lot down. I just lower it down and I don't think you can hear my voice. But I think I can still hear. Oh!
Yeah.
What? Whoa!
That's in the United Kingdom, Peter.
Oh, okay.
You want to go there, Peter, to Oxford?
Yeah. But you can. Oh, why on the ball? What's where the ball?
You don't have this back
Where the ball? What's it? Where the?
history.
Oh, it's putting question marks. It's just random. New. Boom. Yes, this is what I wanted. 946, 947, 948.
Grand tour.
Yes, this is what I wanted. A pin ball. Oh, it's super weak. This is not accurate. Like, see? That was not like accurate. That's fine. If you put that like that, put it like this.
Sit down on a
This.
glorious beach to toast.
You know what?
tasty salad.
Forget about it.
Watch
Are you gonna
sunset.
break like the real rules on this, which do not cross the
Yeah, I think we
line?
might.
And I'm doing it right
And you
now.
must You
Beep beep
must
beep beep.
go
Beep,
for
beep,
this
beep.
fitness then.
Yes, bear.
No, there's a
Explosion. No,
our Lord in the Apple.
explode. Yes! I just got a strike. Hold on, I think if I cannot hear the voice, then I put it a little bit up.
So beautiful.
So, PT mod. Wolly, 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 wolly. Guys, do you hear my voice? Oh, I'm gonna put the voice up.
Still got 102 outside, no wonder, man.
Oh my god, I hit one like that one.
I'm looking for fun.
I know I'm looking for like crazy things, like
Go back to
bones,
New York soon.
bowling center. I just like crazy.
Yes, you do.
Boom.
Well,
Yes, see, yes.
Spare,
spare. I'm gonna throw this at where the blade. I'm gonna be like, why here? I'm gonna throw at somebody's lane.
Nah, little boy.
Stop it.
God, it's
Stop
been so long I've seen you lifting that.
What's this in the back of yours? What?
Where'd you go?
They don't judge me, I'm still getting settled in. I only moved out of college a year ago. My aunt left me that
You
house.
hurt?
I say left, she's not dead.
No.
She,
Why'd you got something in the back of my foot? I don't know. No, I didn't throw at somebody's saying. Throw at somebody's saying. Hold on.
But yes.
Don't. I don't think it's his
Our
name.
neighbor, a junior,
It's a lot
used to
harder,
build those when he was
Ooh,
though.
dig it. I think I'm gonna use this.
little. I remember going over when I was a little kid.
What would I get like a strike?
When I got older, I started working on real cars.
If I get a strike.
You had them, but they were small. They
Yes.
were like this big, maybe.
It's working.
You made them really well, baby.
We read this one. That's a straight one. That's,
Oh my God. I'm so
oh, not like that.
Every
What's
person
that?
you find
Oh, one more. Huh? I'm gonna do one, huh?
always
Ooh. What is that? What's that?
Have you spoken to anybody?
What? What? No. Okay, I can copy it. You? Does it make it better? Oh, it went on top. Try at the same time. I'm gonna do. I'm gonna. I fall back here at the same time, but I lose. I keep on pushing. You know what? Yep. What's the almost editor blur it out. What my mom said. Going back in the quiet room. Why am I always going in the quiet room? I don't know. But one time, when I watch something, it was just like it sounds like always quiet. And make my videos like right here. But when I go in my parents' room, it's too loud. So that was three. That was three. Oh, so my mom was like going here, but I need to go like right here. But you need to go like right here in Roblox, so you could get like a perfect line. Oh no! Wait a minute! I should put my volume a little bit down there. So you need to do like. So in real life, you need to go right here. So then you can win. Like that. So you can win. Like, see? Where's the charger for this? Where's the charger for this? Hold on, let's. Guys, I just lowered out it. I just lowered out the volume so you can hear me a little bit, but not too loud, not too loud, not too loud. But hold on. So if you cannot hear me, so let's go to put it like this. So yeah, I'm gonna go like water guns. So if you want to get like my plushies, it will be like off or kind of like it will just there for limited. So say like favorites it off for that. Let's see if you get like Secret Snoopy. Because why now I got it. Like Snoopy, my friend. So hold on. Okay, let's go. Oh no! Ooh, I was getting caught. I'm caught. But okay, bowling center. Yes. Whoa! Oh, dang it! Strike. The magic. Remember, you keep doing like that. So remember, we used to do like this, pretend you won, and also remember we used to go right here in Roblox and then try and pretend you won. So next morning game. So all you're gonna do is just find a game, and then you find this game called Bundesliga 8 minus 2. I know that's a weird name for a bowling game, but it is like a bowling game. It is a bowling game. So playing this game. So you see like Hulk. Hulk is like something like a different. Alright. So if you like there was like a povey where you can look at yourself. But we don't like. But how do you move? I cannot move. But like I found a different game called Big Bowling. Well, let's just play it. And it literally says admin right here. Because you need to buy an admin for 1,000 Robux. That's a lot of Robux. I'm just saying how Robux. Then I will get admin. Whenever I have a lot of turbo. Use this ball. What do you mean? Use that ball.
So Ben will never losing himself.
Yes.
I can understand why someone else wouldn't play.
12. No. Wait, why is this one harder? Wait, why is it one harder? Hold on. Wait, why is this one harder? Hold on, wait, why is this one harder? I got this bowling. I don't know how I got it, but you can skip spam it. And then no! Yes, we did it.
How's your mom coping?
Yeah, not great, but
And it says bumpers. Which you can bump. And you can bump. Like I know if you can like you can like bump. So there's another one like right here. Like I keep on trying.
you saw was my final treatment.
Like,
So Maybe.
Oh! I did it!
Either way,
Oh my gosh. This is a big vending machine in my whole life. In my whole life. Where'd you get that? A humongous waffle that you got there. Wow. Am I really? Let's see my height. My height, let me count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 feet tall. So I'm 11 years old. It gave me that. Oh no. It gave me that milk. It gave me milk. It gave me milk. It gave me like Doritos, Lay's, and milk. And I become like a milk. And I became a milk. I'm gonna prank somebody. I like a big bowling pin. So we're gonna pretend like we're all like bowling pin. Oh, how about we told them about a big bowling pin?
My illness isn't fun, so it ends now.
I'm a bowling pin. Can somebody see? I'm a bowling pin. Oh yes, there's one. There's one. Oh no, guys, there's one. There's one. I found one. Yes, I found my first victim. Sonic. Sonic. Yes, I found. No, my milk gone. No, now I get on.
You don't have to do it alone.
Except for my milk. Duh. Or I can become the milk again. Okay, we're cool. Let's do it. We're like it. Hold on. Yes. Give me in. Yes, we're doing it. We're doing it. Oh my god, it's not doing it. We're doing it. Oh god, we're doing it. Oh gosh, we're doing it. We're gonna pretend we're going. Hold on. We're gonna pretend we're going. Hold on. Okay, this is getting so good. I like it. Hold on. This is getting so good. Like, look at the babies. Oh, this is so good. So we're gonna pretend like we're in, and then we go right here, right? But we're gonna change as a person inside. So let's become it, and then I'm gonna wait until I'm in. After that, I'm there. Pretend like I am it. So I'm gonna be like right here. Hold on. Oh my God. 20,000 Dude, I've been waiting so long just to open. Dude, it's taking like so long. Then we're gonna add this to it. But I'm not doing about this one. Oh, now these are the minis. Thing in my milk. Okay. I'm a milk. Give me it. Wait. Oh, we're gonna have these TVs. I forgot these TVs. Turn on TVs. You know what? This game is boring. I like this game. Oh, you know what? I haven't played this one. Bowling. Oh no! I joined the same server. I don't know how to do. Oh, I joined like the same. We did the bowling. Oh no! I put it like thumbs down. We have it the bowling. We have it the last one. Called bowling. Am I right? We got a hook ball. So stay in circle. Stay like normal. these two. Okay, this is our first victim. I played GTA 5. GTA 4. You play GTA 4 also? It's like an update. Oh yeah, Florida. Phew, I like this game. Oh! I went inside! Yeah, this game kind of the wall. You know, we're gonna search for bowling. And then you said it, and then there's like a bunch of bowling. Like this one. A tilted bowling game. The one player playing it, I think they really hate this game. And it was like super popular. You can do like, so it's like a bowling. Whoa. What? You can lose at the same time. And this is also a bowling ball. Yes! This is one. I never tried this one. Never tried this one. There's another one to go right here. I kind of like this game. Like, give it like a like. Yep, I give it a like. See you later on. Wait, you know what? Odd. I found a game called Odd Bowling. So I played game in my new video. It wasn't kind of popular, so I played this again. I'm a copyist since, of course, #1 hitter. Come on, kid, hit it. No, double by bowling. Ugh, that stupid bully. Oh, I just made a strike. Thank you, bully. Oh, come on. Yes. Oh! Stop. Have you ever did this in the bowling alley? I don't think. I said no. So to me, I say no. It's at the court. It's at the court. Yes, come on. Knock! Yeah, oh, okay, let's see. Dang it. We say of course. Of course. Oh, yes! Okay, do it, come on. Yes, we did great on that one. How? We ever did this in a bowling? Yeah, I'd say no. Don't ever do this in a real life bowling, in a bowling, because you might hit you in the roof. Hit. Smarter DeSantis. Wait, it's there. Huh. How do you do it? The stair stepper. What? Dude, that. It's bowling. So pretty much YouTube is all like a popular. Come on, yes. Oh, I just did it one. Oh, let's go play. No. Whoa. That was not a bird. let's do. I just unplug my charger, my Toyo. Why is this top box so big? How did you get that big? I need like you too. Now we're both big. So when you're driving are slow, but when you're like this, oh my god, that's fast. Wait, I'm gonna put like 9 dusters. How am I gonna be like? Oh no! I'm fast I'm faster than like a Magikarp. I'm going to say I'm fast as a Magikarp. I like color. Whoa! I'm speedy. I'm at the flash, and I have a head. I get one thing. And you're gonna follow me, duh, if you want. So my noob is trying to get me. Yes! We go! Oh! Strike it on the, who's the fastest prison? Santy Dance. Santy Dance. Because he does a mini one. Oh! Let's make myself more mini. Make myself more mini. Whoa! Like jump power? I didn't add any jump power. It looked like the sign. That's great fun. Oh yes, this is fast. This is fast and fast and like a speeding. This is fast and like a speeding bullet can be. Whoa! I go super fast. Why am I going backwards?
I love your mom.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Yes, this is faster than a speeding bullet. Who's the fastest person? Me. Oh no! This like a biggest like craziest speed without. Who's the fastest person? Me. Look at me, I'm too fast. If I was in a noisy car, then I would pick myself and then I would go like meow 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 and it's gonna be edited. Well, I made a Facebook one. If you want to see it, then read I said it then. This is faster than a speeding bullet, right? Like, now what? Do I am for 16, 1, 7, 18. This is like supposed to be sprint. 100 sprint? Oh yeah, this is like sprint. Wait, have one new. I'm gonna add one new video to try. Snuck that in money. Dot. Wait. In money. Yeah. Let me try without no thing. Oh, wait, I'm gonna be like a little bit bigger. Okay, I'm a little bigger now. Let's see if this works. Wait, is it because of my speed? Oh no! No, I fought. Wait, is it because of my size? Is it because of my size? Snap that. Okay, I'm gonna do it in English today. Oh no, my spice. Okay, ready. I go like 100. I will go with a new Bugatti. I will go with a new Bugatti. This is my Bugatti. Okay. Put ready. Not that. The money. The baby. Oh, I'm doing it. Oh, let's take the walk here. A little bit faster. Oh, I'm doing it. I did it. Yes, the train. Woo. I spotted it out. Haha. This is my best friend. I'm gonna put like 1,000 noobs. Oh wow. My gosh. Dude, I am gonna put Seti that. Gotta be so fast. I've been birthed to 1,000.
You want me to buy one gun? You want me to buy one gun? Where?
Oh
That's so hard. Come on, babe.
my goodness! Hold on. Wait, hold on. Hold the phone. Hold it. Yes! If you wanted to become me, just if you wanna become like the old mighty Sentis, then just put like 1,000. Dude, if you wanna like crash your game, then put like 1,000 noobs, 1,000 walk speed, and 1,000 jump power, and that's how you crash your game. I think I crashed the server. It's like air pollution, but made of meat. So pretty much meat is like the. So in my another account, I reached like 7,000 subscribers. Thank you. And you all see that I'm funny. Well. You see this. So let's go to my account. Please don't mind it. Call your mom. Lily on your socials, whatever. I had to forget like I'm not doing that.